My father didn't fight in the war. He was a pencil pusher in Fort Bragg.
That's what your uncle wanted you to think. Your father did fight in the GWAT. He was a Marine Corps sniper, one of the best, and a good friend. And speaking of, he wanted you to have this when you were older. This was your father's suppressor. He wanted you to have it when you were old enough.
Whoa. How did my father die?
He was unfortunately killed by a Sith war in Baghdad. We have found the Sith Lord that killed him, and we're going to there and avenge your father.
Let's go.
There's the bastard that killed your father. Stay back. I'll handle this. Oh my God! He's dead!
Come on. I can't believe that worked.